Koli nene anene gochia se kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya orosagia arua Kisii magega yababwatani be kanisa igoikirana se eskuru ya Kisii Polytechnic elio chinga kigose omoyego yunyara ko bakoleta amababwatani abo elio kwenekia buna omo bishop omotangane bwe diocese eyo ya Upper Southern Nyanza orosagia arua Kisii John Orina Reverend chinga kyale ko bagakobekerwa amaboko abene elio koba buna omo bishop omotangani anene bwe diocese eyo no muyego nyara ko bokoleta amababwatani kati yabo be kanisa eyo yekianglikana nabo igo omwaziri bwe chisemi Ezekeri Machogu gati ya abarai abanyara ko babawikirana senseme yo na kuruchingwa na cyabo asebo igo omwaziri oyo Ezekeri Machogu nyara ko bagoteba bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nechikobwe kwendeke nyare ko bagegosira chiskuru chiri chia TVET gose chiri chikwena na amaigelio yo Burundi na kwenekia buna abana ime county ya Kisii banyare ko bagwikirania amasomo abo boikirana onyana bonigo omosaki oito Mildred Mumanyi anyara ko bagosanga amo nababwatani abo nabo igotoretera orobotiro kubwatia
Indeed, it is a day like no other when we are all gathered here to enroll your servant as the first bishop of the Diocese of Upper Southern Nyanza, covering Kisii and Nyamira Counties.
No moyega bwoko mochora omo bishop omotangani oyora chiegotenenera na kura orosagia rwa Upper Southern Nyanza orotangani kegima oyo okorekana asegeti skuru ya Kisii Polytechnic asomo bishop John Omangi aregwa ekironero kyobogambi asara chekora diocese yoye kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya asege kakimyaka emerongene kurwa bono iga omoyego yo obekerwa amagoko na bishop bonsi kurwa kanisa ya ACK ase airachira ngana chiego ase oborai ase gasyo monene.
By law will be vested and conferred in the Diocese of Upper Southern Nyanza with truth, justice and charity, not brooding over God's heritage, but showing myself in all things an example of the flock of Christ and pursuant to and in accordance and conformity with all and several the faith, rights, dignities of the Almighty God and the persons here assembled, that I shall resign my office of Diocesan Bishop of the Episcopal See of Upper Southern Nyanza and relinquish my episcopal jurisdiction and authority herein as the ordinary thereof.
When I'm also at home, Sundays, I will be making a point of making sure they come to worship with you. The choir, I would like to participate more and also to gain, because the word that we worship is actually one God.
Omoyega oyo nigo oikeranwa na barai gati yabo omwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu omoteneneli Okenjen Migos Ogamba oyo kabeire omobunge onyalibali chache Richard Tongi gati abange asebono omwaziri Machogu aenekianga nachiko waterana ne kanisa eliko igora eskuru yobo bundi asense moya marani.
So passionate with the His and the President, our vocational training center in Marani. We will be able to support you, because that is what we are, to impart and give the necessary technical skills and competencies to our young people so that they can be able to compete in this 21st century. So rest assured that you will get all the support from me and the professionals here, and even my friend Akipiga Sirimbi.
Boigo nigo omwaziri Machogu akira ekanisa mbya ase okubwatesia sekta yechisemi asaba sabago cha kogendera nase ateba ekanisa nebwateli baga ase sekta yechisemi.
Thank you very much again. Also education, thank you for supporting education. We have a committee of chaplaincy, and the chair of that committee is our Archbishop here. Combining efforts, the church, religious organizations and the ministry, in order for us to give counseling and guidance among our youths, because our country, the power and the energy is only dependent on how well and how we are able to bring our young people in a better.
Kulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.